Before we introduce ourselves, let us start this story with a question.
Have you ever noticed how we became dependent on technic, completely ignoring nature and its resources? If you consider your life on long terms, this is not a promising attitude.
Now, we should stop being rude and finally present ourselves. Hi, my name is Vito.
Hello, I'm Flora. We're about to become your plant's best friends. Are you ready to hear our story?
15 years ago, our creators, huge plant lovers, decided that chemical additives era should come to an end.
After a decade of research, they've discovered how to use already well-known and proven properties of crystals in order to nurture plants in completely natural and chemically free ways.
1 decade of research later, here we are as unique product, Plant Energizer, your plant's best friends.
16 different crystals were chosen according to benefits they produce to plants. A special technology was used to grind and mix crystals in order to increase their performances, and ultimately, threads of gold and silver were added as excellent conductors.
The powerful crystal mixture that was created is called Biocristal, and we are completely made out of it. And, if I may, I would like to point out that we were not this handsome at the very beginning.
Can you imagine? We used to look like this, or even better, like this. Oh my God, I think I know how people feel when they look at their graduation or prom night photos. Hey, I don't look that fat. Okay, that looks better. Now, Vito, I see you again forgot to say that one thing everyone asks about the crystals. Why crystals, and why these 16 exactly?
Well, crystals emit energy vibrations that have positive effect on living organisms, gradually balancing their natural energy. In our case, Biocristal mixture that our bodies are made of has an intense effect on the molecular structure of water and changes its bioelectromagnetical properties.
Let's make it clear. By consummating energized water, plant receives more balanced and usable energy that helps her grow healthy, lush, and beautiful.
And besides the fact we are your plant's future best friends, we are not demanding friends at all.
All we expect is to put us next to your favorite flower and enjoy the view while your plant is becoming vigorous and beautiful.
Now, why do we need your help? Well, we strongly believe each plant deserves to grow healthy and happy, so we can all agree that every plant should have a personal Vito and Flora.
This is why we need your support. The world is big, and we intend to get to each plant in every corner of it. On the other hand, happier plants mean more oxygen for all of us, so it's a win-win situation.
Help us, and we promise to have and to hold your plants, in sickness and in health,
in good times and woe, keeping ourselves solely unto them
for as long as we both shall live.